Yep. Behind that big tree there. Behind that big tree. A little. That'll be right. Trout cod. Just drop down behind that. Yeah. Trout cod. Be a trout cod, he's pulling hard. Be a trout cod. They pull hard though. They pull hard, the little things. Oh, it's not too bad. Go off the spinnerbait.
They don't have any of the disease on them.
Yep. Oh, I lost him. I watched him come out.
Yeah.
Oh. Jeez. Don't think he'll come back. You never know. Sweetie. Is that your lure just there?
Oh, there it is.
So what? That was off that snag that you just snagged on. He just come up as it come over and smashed it. Oh. Trout cod. He's just come up.
Wide head, isn't he?
Yeah. They're more of a grey colour too.
They are.
Maybe 60. Close. Solid fish. He has a tail on his spinnerbait.
Hey.
Oh, he took the tail on his spinnerbait with him. Oh, I got him. I saw him come out.
What did you?
Oh, you drop him? No. Oh. Watched him come out of there.
Yeah.
Yeah.